Check. Check, check. 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 Check, check. 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 Okay, now we're good. I really don't understand why Streamlabs keeps doing this to me. and check again. Okay, we are good. All right, so I am gonna start. So I've got this filter class. I am gonna start breaking it out into a CPP, because right now it's just in a header. And apparently, if everything is contained in a header, it's a little bit worse performance. I don't remember exactly why, but yeah. So let's see what we have to do. I also kind of want to call this something else. Hold on, let me put this on here. And then let me do something like, I'm gonna rename it. Let's see. I'll just go here. Let's see. DSP. And we'll do SV filter like that. And I'm gonna have to do that. Like that. And I'm gonna have to go into this probably and do this. Yep. Okay. So header right here, I'm gonna have to make another file. And call it svfilter.cpp like that. Oh, did it? Oh, I must have made a typo. New file, svfilter.cpp. Okay, cool. Do that. I'm gonna save it because it does some weird formatting thing. Oh, let me turn on my multi-stream chat. Okay. And let's see. So all I do is include, right? Yeah, just include. So oh, look at that. Stupid. Uber Eats is like, are you hungry? How'd you know? How you know that? Come on, SV filter. Oh wait, you know what I might have to do? Go into this Viator module CPP. Include Viator DSP SV filter. Oh, it doesn't see it. Why doesn't it see it? Oh wait. What's this telling me? Yeah. Oh, let me get rid of that. SV filter. Let's see. And it's not even auto completing include. No completions, very cool. like that. Let me just build real quick. Maybe some other errors or expected file name. Oh, you know what? I bet it has something to do with me changing the name. Wait. Let's see. Okay. No idea why that happens. Let's see if now it'll let me. Viator DSP SV Clipper. Why doesn't it see the CPP file? Am I missing a step? No. What happens if I include okay, and then modules. Okay, so it works, it's just not auto-completing. Is that the gist of it? I guess so. Viator Clipper. Okay, so let's implement one of the functions. So, like, let's take prepare. Okay. Okay, so that, and then we will say this. Let's just paste it, and then I have to prepend the whole Viator DSP thing. Yes. So I'll say Viator DSP it's SV filter. Like that. And let's build it. Okay, it looks like it's going to be successful, but what we actually need to do to 100% sure make sure it works is try to instantiate it. Ooh. Oh. Okay. So let's call prepare. Oh, we did. Okay, so it's going to work. Okay, great. Let's do the constructor. I always forget how to do the constructor. It's basically the same thing. So, okay. Like that. Like that. Obviously put the constructor first. Okay, but we need to do the same thing right here. Is the constructor void? No, it's just that. And that should be good. What's up, chat? 2 viewers in the house. Okay. Process block. Okay, this is gonna be a nightmare, to be honest with you. Okay, I think I might just leave it like this. So let me take this one first, and process block. Well, actually, no. Oh, right. Okay, so what I did was the process methods I keep in the header because they use templates, and I kind of abstracted out the DSP with like a generic function that this process sample, which or no, soft clip data and hard clip data, that kind of stuff. Yeah, so can I do the same kind of thing? Let's see. What would be the easiest thing? Okay, I'm gonna take this. Okay, I'm gonna put it here, and I shouldn't get an error because it's just called process. Well, I'm not gonna have this process sample thing. So, oh wait, am I? I am, but it needs 2 arguments. So process sample, I'm just gonna put X and 2. Just so that it builds real quick. Oh, and there's no M raw gain, correct. And in fact, I'm just gonna, I don't need that. So I need to make a method that I could break out into the CPP, just like I did with Clipper. So in Clipper, I did soft clip data. So I'm going to do something like filter data. And then, did I just do that as like a float or something? Yeah. So let's do, gonna be private because we're not gonna call that from outside of the class. So let's say float filtered data, and it takes in a what did I do? Did I do const? No. Okay, so I'm gonna just do float input, I guess, or should I call it something else? Okay, data to filter. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I also need to take in a channel. Let's do that. Okay. So we're gonna say float Viator DSP SV filter filter data. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Okay. And then I can pretty much I should be able to just copy and paste everything. Where I say that I'm wondering, I got this return input, so I'm gonna need to say, it's gonna say that it doesn't know what input is, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna need to say that that. I'm gonna need the num channel thing, and that's gonna need to go here. Okay, and then what does the actual process sample look like? It's just gonna say return blah blah blah. Okay, so we could say return filter data. Where is it? Input and channel. And then pretty much the same thing for this other one, right? It would be like oh, I already have it copy and pasted, so I would say oh, this is actually probably just gonna work the way it is. So we've got X is equal to that, and then we got output is equal to process sample, which is what this is called, right? Yeah, process sample, and we're giving it input and number of channels. So I just need to give it let's try that. So yeah, look how much cleaner that is. We got our basic process the same way, pretty much the same way the juice ones are set up. And this doesn't really look like there's any DSP because we're just calling process sample on each one if it's in stereo, you know. And we've got our basic process sample, but it's calling this kind of generic like filter logic that lets us break it out into the CPP so that it's the actual DSP is in one place and it looks like just, you know, like generic math. So if we need to read it, it's easier to just come in this file and read it. No reason to put it in the header file. We need to break out the set parameter, and then we're gonna have to make sure that actually works. like that. And then these guys. Like that. And I think that's it. So save, and let's build and see if it actually builds. Looks like it builds. We're gonna have to make sure it actually works. So we'll go to the processor. Okay, we're setting it at 1,000. That should be good enough just to test it. So let's do what is it? Filter. Okay, so let's build implicit. Let me take care of this process. Oh, this is something I noticed. Yeah, this is something because of the template. Is it because let's see, implicit conversion loses integer precision, unsigned long to int. Wait, is it because of num channels or is it because of or did I do that backwards? Oh, okay, I guess it's gonna accept it. Okay, so let's open Logic, and what we'll need to do is test it in stereo and mono to make sure that there's no weirdness. So let's just go to the CPU test thing. Okay, so turn off my music. Hopefully my audio doesn't explode. And let's see, I need to turn this down. It's probably too loud for the stream. Okay. Let's go ahead and put, what's it called? Dark Star. Okay. Okay, well, it didn't crash. Okay. So that, and then let's make another audio file. Okay, this one's in mono. Well, okay, yeah, it's in mono. Okay, seems to work. I am shocked that it just works. Which means that this works too. Let's make this a little better. And then do I need to change anything in here? Probably not, right? Let's just build that and make sure it works. And that seems to work. Okay, very good. So we've got okay. Before we commit, let's I didn't put any I gotta put these comments in there. So we got why does that say filter? Filter, process, input, output, blah, blah, blah. Oh, we need the one for this individual sample. And we got parameters of this module. And it looks like I need to add different clipper types and different filter types and different filter Q factor types. These can be private. The set parameter have, yes it does, and set parameter like that, and I will go ahead and just like this. And then, let's see. These are pretty self-explanatory, right? And then we will say, get the different Q factors. And okay, there we go. Let's see, refactored SV filter into CPP file and added comments. Very nice. I thought that was going to take a lot longer. So what else do I have? I was thinking about I did a like a stereo encode decode in a couple of my filter plugins, where I was able to do like mid-side processing, and I was thinking about making that that function of getting either the mid or the side or the left or right into a module, but I just don't know if it's gonna work because like calling process doesn't really, I don't even know how to explain why I think it won't work. Let me just go through some of my other stuff. There's got to be something else that I have besides a clipper and a filter. So, oh, I do have the what's it called? The bit crusher. Let's, yeah, we could do that. We also have compressor. Let me just look and see. We could also break out all the GUI stuff into headers with CPPs, which would be good. Let me just check out some of my plugins and see what we got. The filter, clipper. I could make a mix control. Yeah. A mix control probably wouldn't be bad. Gain stager. I have this auto gain stager. I kind of want to remake it. And then when it works well, could probably break that into a class. That wouldn't be bad to put into a module. My reverb just uses the Juice DSP module, so nothing for me to do there. The electronic hue was the first time I used mid-side processing. I could try to look at turning that into a module. I've got the compressor, which is cool. Overdrive, amp. Here's the bit crusher. Okay, cool. So what should we do? Maybe before. Oh, what's up, Heavy Molnir? I've been a musician. I've only been programming for about, I don't know, 6 years, maybe 5 years, but I've been a musician since I was a teenager. So yeah, I've been making music my whole life, and then, you know, the next natural step was to make plugins. Yeah, I actually have a PhD in music. So yeah, I'm a musician. But programming is really fun too, and it's great to be able to program and do music stuff. Let's see here. Well, that space is ugly. Let's try to break out the GUI stuff into headers and CPPs. So widgets. So this shouldn't be hard. Or I say that at least. Oh, I don't know what that is. Let me look it up. That's gotta be a Bumblebuzz. It looks like a bee. Oh yeah. looks like it just has. Does it even have knobs on it? Was it just a? Was it just a? You just turn it off and on? It doesn't look like there's a knob on it. This one might actually show a better view of it. Yeah, it looks like you just turn it on. Well, no knobs is probably much easier to model than something with a bunch of knobs. Yeah, I'd have to get one to make an accurate model of it. Do you have one? Are they expensive? I didn't even... forgot to look. Oh, $325? Oof. Oof. Yeah, if somebody had one, I could just send them some audio files to take some measurements of it. Alright, let's try to do this. New file. Oh wait, I'm gonna have to... Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Viator DSP. And then can I get rid of this widgets include? I think so. Let's see, do I have one open right now? Let's see, let me just make one real quick. Viator, oh wait, Viator GUI. No, it should just be Viator GUI. Hold up. Maybe I have to save and reinstantiate the project real quick. Xcode kind of gets stuck. I think it's because since now it's in a module and it's buried deep in there, I think it has to do a lot more processing and going through files and stuff. So now can I do, why doesn't it see Viator? Let's see if there's an error. Oh yeah, okay, so I bet, oh, I bet I just, yeah. Oh, that's why. Okay, cool. So that built. Come on, autocomplete. Bro. Okay, there we go. Okay. Add and make visible dial. And dial dot set bounds. Let's put it what am I doing? Yeah, okay. So this way we can build it real quick just to see what it looks like. Oh, and by the way, feel free if I'm doing something that you don't care about and you have a specific question, I can definitely show you, you know, if I know. Okay, so the dial's there. So let's start making these changes. I'm gonna have to go into here. Oh, here we go. So let's do this. GUI. And we will say include Viator GUI LV. Why is it not auto completing? CPP not found. Okay, I think you're a liar. Because it's in widgets. I don't know anything about this stuff, but it seems really interesting. I'm just sort of eating pizza and throwing it out. Nice, man. I can totally I get you. Although if you wanted to start doing this kind of stuff, it's definitely not impossible. I mean, I'm not a genius, and you know, I taught myself how to do this. You can do it too. It is a lot of work though. Like right now, I just zoned out. I have no idea what I was doing, and I'm like, okay, oh yeah, I'm trying to put this into this file. So we are gonna say, well, first of all, include LV dial header. At least that auto completed. That makes me feel better. So we're gonna say Viator GUI LV dial, and then LV dial again. It's like this, isn't it? Yes, and then, oh, this one's a little bit of a different situation. Do I do it the same way? Like, is it like this? Redefinition of LV dial. So do I not need to put anything in the parentheses? Out of line does not match any declaration. I think I do have to take this out. Oh, this is what I need to do. Probably do that. And then put this in there. Does that do it? Oh. Wait. Expected class member or base class. Oh wait, do I need to do this? No, I shouldn't have to do that. If anybody in the chat is a C++ expert, help. Okay, what doesn't it like? Does it want me to take these things like... Let me see if I can look it up real quick. C++, constructor with arguments, header, and CPP. Default parameters in header files. Oh. Only C# starting. Wait, do other languages even have header files? Like, is it just C++? Is everything else just one file? Because in C#, it's just C# files, right? And obviously I know JavaScript files are just JS files. What about Java? Anyway, this is not... Oh, wait, this actually might be. Okay, so it has parameters. Okay, yeah, so I do the same thing. This is implying that I have to do the same thing. That is like this. It looks like Streamlabs doesn't want you to post a link for some reason. I don't know if that's something I have to change on my end. But I've seen people have sent me links before. I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna do what's called a program remove, and I'm gonna leave the constructor in the header and then just do everything else. So let's put it back like that. And let's see, so I'm just gonna leave the constructor and the destructor so that it's a little bit consistent. HTML and C++ code in one file, for example. Oh, that's weird. I don't even know what that is. A razor, dot razor. Let's see. I'm gonna need this. Set dial style. So let's do this. Go into here and we'll say that put a space via tor GUI LV dial, and there we go. It's from Blazor. Oh, it's a .NET thing. I think it's mainly used for build self-contained web services. Oh, okay, for Docker stuff. Yeah, I don't know anything about web stuff. I still don't know what Docker is. Okay, force shadow apparently. Shadow, and then I've got mouse enter, mouse exit. Oh, okay. Yeah, that is interesting. So you could have a Docker container that's a Game Boy emulator. Okay. There are Docker containers that you can just download and start, and bam, you have a full working web server database. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's, I mean, that's kind of what I assumed it was, but yeah, that paints a much better picture. Okay, so we've got all this. Let's see, I'll just leave it like that. This is fine. I mean, the only thing I'll do is I'll move these methods up above the... I kind of don't like, I was trying to do this cool thing with this equal sign, but I think it kind of bothers me more than anything. Let's see. Yeah, I see. Yeah, every time I see some kind of ad or something for it on YouTube, it always looks really cool. Oh, and I'm gonna start doing this where I comment what each closing curly does. It closes the class. This closes the namespace. Okay, that's good enough. So let's see if the plugin still builds and runs with that dial. Oh, I got an error. Expected body after a function. That sure looks like a body to me. Const juice. Let's see. Wait, so it's an issue for mouse enter, but not for mouse exit? Expected body after. What did I do? Actually, there's an example I might be able to figure out. Wait a minute. Do I have to... Oh, wait. You don't put override in the... Yeah, in the implementation. Right? Yeah, that's what it was. Okay. And it's still a mouse enters and exit. Okay, cool. Very nice. Okay, so that's good. So I can follow this setup for everything else, which isn't that bad. So yeah, this is a little cleaner looking. Okay, so let's do that. Do that, and we will say refactored dial into CPP. Okay, next is the fader, which is I mean, pretty much the same thing. New file. lv fader.cpp. And I will go into this. And let's see if it auto completes for me, because that always makes me feel better. It's not, but I think it's okay. Fader CPP. Include LV fader.h. And I'm gonna have to close it and reopen it because Xcode does something weird whenever I put a new CPP file in the project folder. And there we've got our C++ formatting. And let's go ahead and build, make sure that it's at least linking. Looks like it's probably fine. Yep. Cool. So I will go into here and I'll do the same thing. I'll leave the constructor and destructor the way it is. Okay. Force shadow. Let's see. Get to our GUI, LV fader. Like that. Oops, didn't want to do that. Just want to copy. That, make sure to take out override because override just needs to be in the header. And we will go, what's the other one? Init props. Very cool. Is there a better, let's see, should I do it like this? Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I'll do it like that. Void init props. So let's do the same thing. Let's put the oops. I think that's much easier to read. It's still not amazing, but when you have a bunch of arguments in the okay, init shadows. That should be good. Let's see, move that up. And these two. That is fine. We'll put those two together. Oh, why is this like this now? So that should work. So let's go change this from dial to fader and see what it looks like. It's gonna look funny, but as long as it shows up, that means everything worked. Yep, there's our fader. Okay, group component. I think that's small enough. I don't really care about breaking that into a CPP. Yeah, I'm never gonna have to add anything to it because anything else I need to do, I can just do in the this look and feel. Same thing for the label. Okay, here we go. Menu. That's a little bit bigger. Still not crazy, but LV menu. Okay, so we'll say new file. LV menu .cpp. Okay. So then we can take this. Menu.cpp and then include that, close it, resave, and then build real quick, make sure that that linking works. Cool. Okay. So menu. We can go ahead and put the constructor and destructor there. That. Same thing for the destructor. Oh wait, is that how you, do you put the tilde in front of the whole thing? Oh, we could find out if we go to the destructor for like the main project. Did I pass it up? Oh, so you do put it just in front of the, okay. So like that. Okay, so that we've got, oh, this isn't bad. I assume I don't need final, but we'll see. And we don't have any errors, but I think probably wouldn't get any errors until we actually created an object. So menu, sure, we'll still call it dial. Doesn't need a constructor. The width and the height, let's just say 32. Okay, seems to work. So that's the menu, the number box. Oh, the number box is a slider. I probably should have done it while I still had the constructor for the dials up there. Oh well. So new file, LV number box .cpp. Is that what it's called? Number box. Cool. Okay. And so we'll do this. Number box.cpp, and then number box needs its header. And then let's do this again. Cool. Number box. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the constructor and destructor where it is. And oh, the number box just has a mouse enter and a mouse exit. Okay, whatever. Might end up adding something to it later down the road. Void Viator GUI. Like that. And so this is a number box. And it needs a constructor. Bro. Okay, there we go. So that should work. Oh, okay, we've got one error. Let's see. Expected. Oh, I did it again. Cool. Sensitivity is terrible. Let me just set that by default so that if somebody actually uses this, it doesn't. Oh wait, I did set it. Oh, let's put 5,000. Is that worse or better? It seemed worse. Okay, that's better. Okay, there we go. That's better. Number box. Okay, push button. Oh, it looks like push button doesn't really need it. Toggle. Yeah, it looks like we could do it for toggle. New file. It is LV toggle. Okay. So let's add it to the module, and this is going to be toggle. Oh, toggle. Okay. And then if we go into toggle, include lv toggle.h. And of course, close the Xcode window for some reason and then resave it for some reason. Okay, what can we do? Okay, so looks like we could take the constructor and destructor. So this is Viator GUI toggle, oops, like that. And then same thing, leaving utility where it is, no override. And let's see, so set toggle style. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oops. So that, and then let's make a toggle. Very cool. We don't need this. I think I found that my toggle needs to be around size 40 to look right. And let's make sure it actually pops up. There we go. Cool. Power toggle, whatever. And then we could set it to something else. So we could say dial.set toggle style. And it is Viator GUI LV toggle style, and then the other one is the phase one. Cool. Very nice. And then the last thing in the GUI stuff is the style sheet, which I'm dreading. So let's go ahead. I keep forgetting push fader. Cool. So let's do a style sheet. New file. This is the style sheet. Oh, I keep doing it. Style sheet. Okay. Close this window. Resave. Oof, this is gonna be annoying. So basically I need all of this. Okay, that looks better. And go into here. We'll do kind of the same thing. So we'll say, wait. Oh, that's the constructor. Okay, and then everything else is void. Right. Okay. So it's juice. That. Wait, that was it? Just those three things? Oh yeah, I guess so. Okay. So let's see. Let's make this look a little nicer. Okay, next is the put comments as I go. Oh my God, Zoe, get out of the way. Okay, this one only has 2 methods. Oh, I have to look out for accidentally putting override. Okay, and then in the CPP, did I accidentally leave override on anything? Doesn't look like it. Oh. And then this one is not custom alpha, this one. So it's gonna be void juice that. And then same thing for draw label. No override. Okay. And that one is already. Yeah, that one's already fine. Okay. Okay, and then here is the hard dial. That one and that one. Okay, so like that. And then like that. Oh, wait. Like that. I'm just going to take this. Hard dial. I just realized I need to this right here. And is that in the right spot? I think it's off by 1. Yeah. Ooh, this is a lot of dumb work. Okay, here is the custom number box. This one, wow, the formatting is terrible. I can't believe I just had the idea to do it like this. Why is this one so dumb? Okay. Okay. This one is called custom number box. That one, can you move out of the way, Zoe? I can't see on that monitor. Custom push button only has 1. Did I remove override from the last ones? No, I didn't. Let's see. I'm gonna have to do a text search for override after I'm done with this. This one is Custom push button. Oh, it's just that one. And get rid of override. Very cool. Here's the fader. This one has more, I think. And the rest, yeah, draw label that. Yep. Okay. Copy. Oh, let me do this first before I copy it, so I don't have to do it twice. Okay. And then this one is called just fader look and feel. Cool. How many more do I have left? I'm gonna lose my mind. Face toggle, power toggle, custom border, custom menu. Okay, so 4. Okay, face toggle. All right. Okay, draw toggle, override, blah, blah, blah. Oh, that's it? Well, I definitely don't want to erase it. Okay, that, and that, and then this. That. This one, right? Yep. That one. Cool. And then power toggle. This one is also just one method. Very nice. Copy that style sheet. That. Custom, let's see, this one's just called power toggle, right? Power toggle look and feel. Power toggle look and feel, yep, okay. Custom border. This is also just one, which is good. Custom border is what it's called. Get rid of override. Custom border. And then last one, the menu. Custom menu, and then let me do a search for override. None. Okay, good. All right. So save, and the only way to make sure this actually works, I think, is to actually instantiate something of each one. So right now we've got the toggle. Okay. Oh, great. Stylesheet.cpp not found. Stylesheet.cpp. What you talking about there, bud? Oh, it's just called style sheet, not LV style sheet. Cool. That's the power one. Dial.set toggle. Style, we got Viator GUI. LV toggle. Toggle style. Phase. Very good. So let's take that out and let's do everything that's not a slider. So we'll go with, see, that was toggle, push button. Okay, and then we've got menu. Cool. Then we've got label and let's see, I think, can I give it a string? Oh, right, this is my label. I can't, yeah, I can't do that. But it doesn't really matter. If there's an error, it will definitely tell us because we wouldn't be able to instantiate it because it's using the look and feel by default. Yeah, nothing comes up for the label, and that's correct. Group component. Yep, that's right. I can tell by the thickness of the line. So when we check the sliders, let's make them a little bigger so that they look somewhat normal. And let's do a number box. And let's give it a constructor. Oh, come on, Xcode autocomplete. DB, blah, blah, blah. Like that. And that should work. Very cool. So let's change that to a fader. Very cool. And lastly, the dial. Cool. All right. Style sheet CPP added. Okay, and one other thing I want to do that's going to be a little quicker than that. Actually, it's not going to be that quick. I kind of want to take the LV underscore out because, I mean, it's not necessary. Now I know I'm in my framework, library, whatever. So we'll say LV underscore. All of those replace with, can I just leave it blank? Yes, very nice. And then same thing. All of that. Okay, same thing with the fader. The style sheet have some? Oh yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, and then if I go here, do the same thing. Okay, and then instead of that, we'll do dial. We'll go here, that should be fine. Let's see what happens. I must have missed it in one spot. What? Oh, I have to change the file names. Damn. Yeah. uTorrent DSP modules GUI widgets. Okay. Oh, I didn't want to open it. This is super annoying. But I think it's a much better approach because, like, I'm already in. This is before I had a library, so I'm already in my namespace. There's no reason to do this anymore. Okay, and then I guess we can close this and then reopen it, and maybe it will notice. Okay, looks like they did change right here. Okay, let's see if it's gonna build. Yeah, buddy. Very nice. Removed all instances of LV. Cool. I think that's a really good. I think we did a lot tonight. Got all of the GUI stuff moved into CPP files correctly. I removed all the nonsense that doesn't make sense. I got the filter working without audio exploding, which is really nice. Yeah. I think I'm gonna call it here for tonight. Yeah, I have a Discord. So if you go to my Twitch, Dr_Bruisin, there's a link to join our Discord. Trying to build that up, get some audio developers and music producers and stuff to be able to collaborate and have a cool space to hang out. So if you want to join our Discord, check that out. Also check me out on YouTube. I got some tutorial videos and some ideas for tutorial series to come out. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I will be back Monday at 5:30 Central Standard Time. Thanks. See ya.